Here we have Christine holding up a coin on top of which she has placed a piece of yellow paper. Right, can you see the yellow paper on that? Alright, she's going to raise it up back to that height and she's going to drop the coin onto her hand. Go. Wow! The coin and the yellow paper fell at the same rate from the top. Alright, she's now going to drop the coin separate, the coin and the paper separately, holding it vertical, and let's see, okay? Yeah, go. Alright, okay, try that again. The coin dropped so fast and the paper is coming down slowly. Okay, go. The paper is coming down slowly. Never mind. That's good, that's good. Try it another time. Okay, right. The coin hit the carpet earlier than the paper because of air resistance. The upward air resistance will prevent the piece of paper, the yellow paper, from dropping at the same rate with the coin. Yeah.